Hey guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, in this video, we are going to talk about some of the lessons that we happen to learn from the 2018 bear market. And as you can see, the charts that I've opened for the Bitcoin, this is the 2018. So 2017 bull market, we already touched $20,000. And then from there, the devastation was on over and over, months after months. And there we eventually went till 6,000. People thought that that was the bottom, but then eventually we crashed down till 3,100, and people were calling at this point of time, we are going to 1,000. Some people were saying we are going to 500, Bitcoin is over, and a lot of people were waiting, okay, let's go to 500. Like the moment that it goes to 500, we are going to buy. It goes to 1,000, we are going to buy. Guess what? A lot of people and some of the people even sold at these dips, and then they waited. We got a little bit of relief rally. People were saying, okay, the price is going to come back, this is just pulling around, and then eventually it came a little bit back, and everyone was like, okay, now we are going to $1,000. But guess what? It kept on revolving around, and eventually it just shot up over here, and some people had to buy at this height, and then some people were still waiting for the another leg down, and then eventually they saw, okay, the Bitcoin price already 2x'd, right? I mean 200% increment, and some of the people had to buy, forced buy over here, and some of the people even had to buy at the top. So this one is like 400% top. This is the mistake. Like the people who bought over here, the people who bought over here, and the worst, the people who bought over here would actually, I mean, they lost it. Why? Because, I mean, obviously a lot of people buy the altcoins based on the Bitcoins. Why? Because eventually there was like leg down happening from this side, or probably even buying at the top. Over here, they missed out on a lot of gains. So the people who enjoyed the maximum gains were dollar cost averaging after these points, like buying at this place, right? That is the smart move. Why? Because you never know that how low it is going to fall. So you do not never wait for a specific number. At the same time, you keep on accumulating when the price is really, really low, the best of the altcoins. And with this rally, some of the altcoins did 50x, 30x. Some of them even did 100x. So that, like, people do not know, like within 2018 to 19 itself, some of the people made significant amount of money, like a life-changing amount of money with their investment. So this is the learning lesson that we all need to ensure that we do not repeat the same mistake. Right now, what we are witnessing from $69,000 top to, like over here, we had this devastation, and then from here, like we fell till $30,000. Everyone was calling this the bottom, and then there was this final leg down till $17,000. From here, a lot of people were calling for $10,000, $5,000, $3,000, right? And even right now, the people are calling for $2,000, $5,000. But what I personally believe is that even if we wick down till $10,000, this was a great buying opportunity. Anything below $19,000 or even $20,000 was a great buying opportunity. So if you actually missed out on buying that, and let's say you get the opportunity again, still we are not that far up. We are $22,000, but eventually, I mean, there could be a possibility we might go till 13,000, 14,000. Yes, but there is no guarantee for that. We are already so much low. I mean, what not? The liquidation of Three Arrows Capital, Elon Musk selling 75% of its Bitcoin. So much of the worst of the 75 basis point Fed has already happened. Like we are very close to the bottom. Even if you are wicking down below, you should not be waiting for a specific number. And if you actually listen to my previous videos, that's what I was saying. Like if you try, I mean, obviously we want to load up the best of the old coins. Like Matic is still like the old coins and still in multi-billion-dollar evaluation. I mean, I made the videos around these points, like 45 cents, 40 cents, 30 till 31 cents. You had this opportunity to buy. Some people were waiting for 10 cents. It never happened. It went like you would have already double your money, like 200% to 300% increment. Already it would have happened within the matter of 2 weeks if you would have bought at those points. So the point is, if you did miss it, and another of my favorite coin is like this one is slightly low cap, but it's very great fundamentals. It went till 54 cents. Just imagine the CRV went till 54 cents. If you would have bought there, you would have made 250% within a matter of, we're talking like 2-3 weeks. So this is what we all need to understand. Do not repeat this mistake of the 2018 bear market, where you're waiting for the specific number. The point is, if you're feeling that okay, the crash is down, anything below $20,000, I mean, it was a buying opportunity. Dollar cost average, keep on accumulating. If it goes further down, accumulate more. If it goes further down, accumulate. Because why? We are eventually waiting for the time when tide will turn around. And how does the tide turning around looks like? Like eventually all the hawkish environment is going to be switching around. Even before the final bull run that is going to happen by the next halving 2 years down, we are going to witness many bull runs in between. This is the tide turning around. So when this already happens, if you buy at these times, you are not going to make significant profit. Even in fact, like the chances of losing at this point would be high because you're already at the top. So time to be accumulating it is at these point of times. So that's it, guys, for the video. I hope that you liked it. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to our channel because this channel will be everything about how do we grow your finances to the hill. And I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.